So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in settings. Click on it. And then once you run this, on the left hand side, you want to click on privacy and security. And now we're going to find camera. We're going to scroll down till we find camera. You want to click on this. And then once you run this, make sure that you have camera access turned on and that you have let apps access your camera also turned on. Now you're going to scroll down. And if you see Zoom in this list right here, make sure that you turn it on as well for Zoom if you have that as well. And then once you do all of that, make sure that on the Zoom application, you have your correct camera selected. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you're going to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you run this, you want to expand cameras. And now you want to find your webcam. You want to right click on it. Make sure that it's been enabled. So in my case, my webcam is currently disabled, and I know this because it says for me enable device. So now I'm going to enable my device. I'm going to click on this, which has now enabled my device. So make sure that your webcam has been enabled. See if that works for you. For the next method, you're going to head over to search and type in camera. Now you're going to click on app settings. And now once you run this, you're going to scroll down and then click on terminate. Now you're going to click on reset and then click on reset again. And then once that's been done, see if that works for you. For the next method, if you're using an external webcam, then you want to unplug your webcam and then plug it back in again. And now for the last method, just try doing a simple restart of your computer. Come back into Windows and then go back onto Zoom, and then hopefully this will now fix your problem.